Hey guys, Ron in Vancouver, Washington. I just noticed this cell tower here. Those things are at an angle. They're actually pointed over there at the road when you drive by. I think they slipped down. I stopped to get a picture of it, and then I noticed that our chemtrail heroes are right on cue. Got this guy right here. My goodness. What a hero. Look at all that ice crystals in the air. Gee. You'd never guess that the atmosphere was completely filled with ice crystals at all times here. But it is apparently, right? Even if it's warm or not warm, it doesn't even matter. It's not even that high. Yeah, that cell phone tower is like, it's got to be damaged or something. It's like pieces dangling underneath it too. Look at that thing. That's the face of evil right there. Like, what? What do you mean? Oh, it is. The brain runs on 8 hertz. The Schumann resonance is 8 hertz. We've developed as creatures, as life forms, in an atmosphere of, cleanliness and an 8 hertz frequency. And we have this thing called the ionosphere, and it's how radios work. They bounce the signal back down. And these things right here have so much power being pumped out of them that it doesn't go away. It just bounces around and stays here. We're living inside of a microwave. Yeah, everyone, I totally believe that there is just a freaking Mount Everest of ice crystals on this jet right here, right? I totally believe that. What a piece of shit. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's not dissipating. It's just turning into a low-level cloud. Jesus Christ. Lovely, huh? Broken cell phone towers pointed at the road. Well, why not? They put transmitters all over town. I should do a quick run around town and get some snapshots, eh? It's relatively chemtrail free today too. I mean, there's only been about 80 or 90, hardly enough to even notice. It's not like the 500 chemtrail days we get when they turn it into a pure gray smog. Yeah. Gee whiz. I wonder why there's no ice crystals up there when the moisture moves in, but then when it dries out, suddenly there's ice crystals there. It's puzzling. Inquiring minds want to know. They also want to know, why does this chemtrail cloud make a corkscrew pattern? Yeah. Corkscrew.